Shark Stain Striker is a powerful portable carpet cleaner perfect for cleaning up fresh messes or old deep stains. It utilizes dual cleaning solution tanks for an extra deep clean. Simply fill the two tanks. One fills with water and a cleaning concentrate which is diluted. The other is just cleaner, no need to dilute this one. Spray the area you are working, scrub it with the head attachment, and then extract the liquid and the stain along with it. Switch head attachments quickly and easily with the press of a button. It comes with a pet stain tool that traps messes inside this compartment, keeping that icky stuff out of your machine. When you're done, remove the compartment and dump it out. It cleans fabric and carpet, leaving a fresh, clean area and scent. Cleaning and maintaining your machine is super easy. Rinse the hose with the cleaning tool, remove the dirty water container, and simply discard the contents. Rinse all the pieces with ease as they do come apart. One feature is the reversible scrub head. One side has your traditional bristles for cleaning, and the other has flexible rubber pieces that are great for deep stains in carpet. Check it out for yourself and see why this portable carpet cleaner is becoming one of my favorite household accessories.